Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Dollar General app account online. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now log into your Dollar General app account on your computer. First open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in Dollar General app account login like this, and hit enter. And after that, you'll be directed to this page where you can see the DG app Dollar General over here, which is the third one. Click over there, and after that, let's wait for it to load. On the top right corner of the screen, you can see the sign in button available over here. Click on sign in, and again sign in. You'll be required to enter your email or your phone number over here, and after that, enter your password over there and click on sign in to log into your Dollar General app account from over here. Or if you have not yet created an account on Dollar General, simply click on create account to go through a procedure to register an account on Dollar General. And then guys, this is how you log into your Dollar General app account online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.